Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the slow zoom in effect on iMovie. We're going to get right into it. So once you're in the iMovie dashboard, we're just going to go on create new, and options are trail or movie. We're just going to go with movie. Click on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find the video footage that I want to drag in and edit. Alright, so once I find the footage, I'll just slide it into this section down here. And one thing I highly recommend is when you're doing your edits, you want to enlarge your area down here. So instead of trying to edit out this small portion, you can go right here, right where it says settings, and you can spread it out. This way you have a larger base to work with. Alright, so as you can see, it's just a regular video that I have right here. For the zoom in effect, I'm just going to find a particular area that I want to start the zoom in at. Let's just say, for example, let's say I want to start the zoom in right here. Let's say I want to zoom in on this first car right here on the left side. All right, so once that comes in, I'm going to stop the clip there. It should be yellow when you're focused on it. And I'm going to go down to the clip right here. I'm going to click on Control and the mouse pad, click on that, and I'm gonna go to split clip. All right, so that's where I want it to start at. Then I'm gonna find the area where I want it to end at. All right, so I'll scroll, keep scrolling, and let's say right here I want it to end. I'm gonna click right, same thing. I'm gonna go down to the clip, right? The same thing. I'm gonna click on Control and then on the mouse pad. Then I'm gonna go to split clip again. All right, so now we have this section right here as our base. We want to start and finish the zoom in at. So now that we have that clip edited out from where we want it to start and finish at, all right, we're just going to click into that box, make sure it has the yellow borders around it. All right, then we're going to go up to this top box right here for cropping, and we're going to click on that. All right, now to do the slow zoom in effect, we're going to go to Ken Burns. So you're going to click on that right there. Then, as I mentioned, I wanted to start and end towards that red car. So I'm going to go to the borders and I'm going to make it smaller like this. And then I'll drag it down right here. There's two sides, all right? With the Ken Burns, there's an outer portion. This is where it's going to start at. And the end portion, which is this, all right? The outer portion, you want to leave it exactly the way it is, all right? The inner portion is what you want to use, because you're gonna start drifting from the outside and going in. Just level this up a little bit right here. All right, I'll make it even smaller. And once I have that set, I'm gonna go right here and click on this blue check box like that. All right, so now we're gonna go back and see how it looks. All right, so let me put it before the clip and let me turn down the volume and let's see how it looks. All right, so basically you were able to see what happened when I played let me turn the volume down on all of these clips right here. But you were basically able to see how it looks once it starts to zoom in. All right, so I'll play it one more time. Click on that. See the zoom in starting to happen. Then it'll end right here and go back to the regular clips. Generally, I don't ever have it zooming in for that long. All right, I might have it halfway, depending on how you're editing and what specific part of the screen you want to emphasize. But that's how you do the zoom in effect. You clip out from the beginning to the end of where you want to zoom in at, and you go to the cropping and you make sure to click on the Ken Burns. All right, then after you find your position, make sure you click this blue tab, this blue check box, and your zoom in effect, your slow zoom in effect will be in place. All right, so thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.